How to add a handling fee in Shopify shipping. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a handling fee in Shopify shipping. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description to earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading all-in-one e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create, customize, and manage online stores without needing advanced technical skills. It also provides tools for building professional websites, managing products and inventory, processing payments, tracking orders, and handling shipping from a single dashboard. And also, Shopify supports multiple sales channels, including online stores, social media platforms, and marketplaces, and in one-person point of sale system, making it easy for merchants to sell whatever their customer are. So now by clicking the login button or the link in the description, you can start signing in using your email, Google, Apple ID, and even Facebook account. After signing in, you'll automatically be directed in here. You'd also navigate on the left side panel some of the options, including the products, and also it will show you all of the product lists before making or adding a shipping or handling fee in our products upon delivering it. But to do it, just click the settings option on the left side panel below, and after that in here, you simply choose the shipping and delivery option. Upon clicking on it, you should be able to see here on the right side panel this option, shipping and delivery. So kindly click this one, general shipping rates. Upon clicking on it from here, under the shipping zone section, from here it will show you the kind or that you can start adding a shipping zone, but the standard in here since it is local in our country. You'd also add more by clicking this add more countries and region in markets and start adding your own or different kind of country depending on your locality. But as you can see, I only have here one country in my markets. But if you want to create a new one, just click the button on the top right corner, and from here just simply enter the name, the condition, currency, and many more. However, moving on to this part, we're not going to add a new market in here under the standardized or localized, but we're going to focus on adding a handling fee or even adding the rates for each fee in here in Shopify shipping method. And to do it, all we need to do is simply click or go back in here and simply proceed by navigating or creating our own or adding a new rates for our localized shipping fee. You can click the standardized to edit this instead of free by clicking edit rate on this pop-up window. We can start customizing either the shipping rate, name, the custom rate, the custom delivery description, but that is just only an optional. But in here, I'm going to choose here ships next day. You could also enter the prices. Instead of free, I'm going to enter here 55 pesos and click done to proceed. So we have now successfully changed the rate in here. To add the new one, just click add rate, and in here on this pop-up window, just simply fill out the required information that includes, to add again, the rate type we have here, flat rate, and even the carrier, or use the carrier or app to calculate the rates. But in here, instead of this, I'm just going to choose the flat rate. So from here, I'm going to customize the rate name and even the custom delivery description, and even also the prices in here that we prefer to add for the shipping fee within localized area or for our customers. So in here, I'm going to enter, for example, the promo shipping amounting for 40 pesos shipping fee. We have now successfully added a handling fee. Moving on to our international one, which is much more higher or expensive fee, we're going to simply customize this. You can click edit zone to customize some of the country that you want or want to exclude in your customer scope. In here, I'm just going to simply unselect this Oceania or the other one in here. But if you're not done, just click done button to proceed. Now to add the rate, just click add rate button below. And after that, under here, rate type, just choose the flat rate, customize the shipping rate, name. Instead in here, I'm going to enter international rate as an example. For the custom delivery description, I'm going to use this one, tracking number provided. For the prices, I'm going to make it cheaper, which is 1,000 pesos instead of the standard one, which is 1,200. As you can see, You'd also go to the market to see all the shipping country. Once done, make sure to click the Save Changes on the top panel to save everything that you've done to apply it directly. Now, customizing handling fees or shipping fee rates in Shopify is important because it allows businesses to accurately reflect their actual fulfillment and logistics costs while maintaining profitability. And overall, that's just how you can add a handling fee in Shopify shipping. Thank you.